the voices of students demanding justice for the ongoing protest by the students of the Northeastern Hill University, which has entered its 7th day on the 11th of November 2024, were heard in a solidarity march. Students of Synod College took part in the march, starting from their college and heading to Nehu, where the students are continuing their protest. In addition to the students of Synod College, who came to show their support for the Nehu Students' Union, students from Kiang Nangba Government College in Jowai and the Naga Students' Union also joined the protest. Speaking to the press, the president of the Synod College Student Council, Melvin Taylor Marbanyang, strongly condemned the actions of the Vice-Chancellor of the Northeastern Hill University, Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, criticizing the delay in responding to student demands and calling for immediate action to ensure that the students' concerns are addressed.
To Nehu, do we stand firm in our support for the demands of the Nehu and the KSU Nehu unit? And we believe that the removal of the registrar and the deputy registrar is necessary to restore trust in the administration and uphold the values that this university was built on. And we also urge the central government to take immediate look into the matter and try to resolve this issue at the earliest, since it's a matter concerning not just the well-being of the students but also the overall functioning of this university. And this process out here is also a direct message to the VC that we as the students, we stand together and we will not back down until our demands are met. Thank you. Kawai concern jongi kadai lingba kini ki kajing delay jong kini ki results ke ba nilap ke ba semjing jar mo ke ba penbo inge kajing jar kamtam ke ba bon ki de ki ba depend na scholarship de dangi delay ki exams ki delay kini ke mark sheet kajing jar ki ba bon ru ki ban apply te hoi ki ladan ke kajing kren nang ni nang te but hoi ka along successful ru ba ki la extend ya kan ni ka scholarship but ni long hang ni ka por ni support ya ka ki jing thumu jong ka Nehu but ka KSU unit.
The president of the Kiang Nangba Government College Students' Union, Naphisabet Latam, urged upon students from other affiliated colleges of the Northeastern Hill University to join the protest and support the Nehu Students' Union and the Khasi Students' Union Nehu unit in their ongoing struggle.
Kajingjop naba kajingjop ke jongki kani kajingjop ke jong ke movement ke jongki kedai kajingjop jongi barok ki colleges dengan kot very barok ki colleges banwan support ya ki Nehu ba ya ki KSU naliang yang ihi lada mengap hi misi ya kini kajing dua yang ki pura yang ki Nehu student union ki KSU ini yang i ye percak bagi ye nyerap man ye bagi haduk wada resign Nehu ya vice chancellor ko registrar ini.
My name is Mukaka Awumi. I would like to applaud the KSU and Nehu for taking this initiative for the cause of the students. And as we are in solidarity for the students, for the welfare. They have been here striking for their justice, and we are here to support them. Okay, their demand is very much genuine, and for which we are standing here hand in hand with them. And I want to express my concern to my dear fellow students, my dear brothers and sisters, that you are not alone. Even as from the students community of Nagas, the Naga Students Union Shillong is there for them till the end. The justice is delivered.